To load more images, we need to click on this load more button, which is properly loading more images. But I don't want to click on the load more button. I want whenever I move to the, you can say, bottom of the page, then I need to load images automatically. I don't have to click on this load more. Before implementing that thing, you can see whenever I click on load more, it's actually adding more images, and because images are stacked like in a column, then we need to scroll up to see more images here. That's the issue we have. So let's convert it from this beautiful grid to simple row, because this is not a simple CSS tutorial, it's a React tutorial, so I can do that. Now I can say flex, and by doing flex, by doing this flex, we have this inline. But then I can go to the show images and this actually image. Then I can say width of 1/3. Let's see. It's not reflected, because now I can also give flex wrap. But we cannot see the third row or third column actually, because we have a margin in between. So we can remove the margin also once again. That's again done. And in that way, because we are having this load more button, when I click, we have loaded more images. But the problem is, as soon as I click, it move to the top, and also I have to click the image. I don't want that. So remember, we have already created a custom hook called, where's that, util use scroll. Let's use the use scroll. So I can say const scroll position is equal to the use scroll, and I need to use scroll, I need to open it, and then I can import easily. Okay, so since we have this scroll position, we can now create a use effect. Inside this use effect, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check if the scroll position is scroll position is closer to the bottom of the page. For that, first I'm going to show you by logging out the scroll position, window.inner height, and let's see these two things. So if I so I need to import the use effect console, and so initially it is null, but as soon as I change it, but it's not doing anything, because now I need to run this use effect whenever the scroll position changes. Okay, once again, as soon as I change, you can see this is the scroll position and this is the inner width. So we are having these things. So we are at the top, and then you can see, and as soon as I close to the inner width, which is 383, that is because of this thing. So if I change it like this, 447. If I change it very high, then it will be very low, so only 173. So this is the inner width. But what will be the actual size of the full page? So you can see we are not having the actual size. To get the actual size, we just need to say document.body.offset height. Now let's see. Offset height is 2234. Okay, so what if I minus 2234 with this window size, which is this one, and when we reach the bottom, that means we have minus subtracted 363 from 2234. Let's see how this is going to look. So if we have a window, that means offset height minus of window inner height if this thing is, that means if scroll position is equal to the document height minus the window size. So document height is 2234 minus 363. If the scrolling reach to that position, like you can say like around 1871, so if I say 2234 minus 363, it is 1871. So we have reached the bottom. You can see we have reached the bottom. So if this is true, then we can say simply log out that console log I am at bottom. So I can remove this one and let's try this. Refresh, and yep, so let's do that. And once again, I think we have an issue, and to resolve this issue, I can simply say if it is greater than equal to, greater than and equal to. Okay, let's try once again. So it says I am at bottom because I am at the bottom. So I need to start, and once again I go, and yep, you can see twice, and once again I'm at the bottom, I'm at the bottom. And now whenever we reach the bottom, we just need to change the page. So set page will be page plus 1. Very, very nice. Okay, so yep, we are at the top. Let's go. And as soon as I reach the bottom, you can see we are loading more images. But the problem is when we load the image, it's just refreshes to the top. Yeah, you can see we have page 3 now. Then we have a page 4 like this. This is the problem we are facing, and the problem, to solve this problem, we can use a library from the npm to solve this issue, and then we don't have to worry about all these things like window and offset, everything. So let's see how we will use that library to actually do the infinite scrolling.